Prepare yourself for a whirlwind of emotions. The roar of engines, the sound of cracking wood, and giant trees collapsing in an instant. This video will push the boundaries of logging, delivering scenes like you've never seen before. Every second is hot. Click subscribe so you don't miss out, because what you're about to see will take your breath away. When the MS-462 saw roared, everything around seemed to become silent. A giant oak tree, 13 m tall, that has stood firm for centuries, now faces an unstoppable force. With a 72.2C engine and vibration reduction system, the mower is powerful and allows long-term work without fatigue. Cutting into the trunk echoed like a tragic song, and finally, with a mighty crash, the tree fell. It is impossible not to be impressed by the perfect combination of sophisticated machinery and the great power of nature. Winter is peak logging time, with hundreds of trees up to 1 meter in diameter and 30 meters tall being felled every day. Thanks to the hardened ground, transportation is easier, reducing environmental impact. Modern machines support exploitation, achieving a productivity of 5,100 tons of wood per day, serving the construction and manufacturing industries, bringing great economic value. Watch the Tigercat 855E feller tree cutter work hard in North Carolina, featuring a fuel-efficient engine and ER boom technology that reduces energy consumption. The Skyview camera system enhances safety with comprehensive rear visibility, while the 570 harvesting head and 340 rotating mount ensure precise handling and optimal control. The rugged design and modern Tigercat D7 control system help the machine operate excellently and durably in harsh environments, ideal for the modern forestry industry. You will not be impressed when you see this peach tree stump grinder in action. It is capable of handling tree stumps with a diameter of up to 80 cm, easily devouring all types of wood thanks to its sharp tongues and teeth. Sharp. This machine can rotate at a speed of up to 1,000 RPM, helping the job to be completed quickly. Even though I'm no expert, it's clear to me that this is a great time saver for land clearing work. Have you worked with this most outstanding John Deere 753J harvester? Please comment number 1 and share your thoughts about its performance and features in felling trees. Image of Durango's Trocero truck working non-stop in large forests. Take advantage of the power coming from a powerful diesel engine. They are equipped with special tires, and they cross difficult terrain to transport wood to factories. This off-road warrior is not only a tool of production, but also a symbol of strength and endurance in the Mexican forestry industry. VSP 60.60 is truly a super machine when it can handle surprisingly large diameter round logs. Outstanding by its ability to process round wood with a diameter of up to 60 cm, this machine can easily chop and split large wood trunks without wasting too much of your time. In addition, the machine can process up to 60 m of wood per day, bringing peace of mind about quality in wood processing in the forestry industry. The VSP60's design is rugged and reliable, enhancing durability and performance even in harsh environments. In 2019, Gelsdorf held a maypole receiving ceremony, part of a traditional spring festival in Germany. This is an opportunity for the community to gather together, decorate tree posts, and participate in fun activities, strengthening social relationships. On February 8, 2018, in a snow-covered scene at the timber terminal in Drammen, the Liebherr LH60 timber handler unloaded timber from two Volvo FH16 750 and MANT Gex 33.680 timber truck. The Liebherr LH60, capable of lifting loads of up to 60 tons from its advantageous long arms, handled timber from trucks with a load capacity of up to 40 tons each, creating a busy but quality scene in cold weather event. Oh my God! This Petzolato P TH1400/1000M wood chipper is truly a monster in the woodworking industry. With a 1,150 HP Caterpillar C27 engine, it's as powerful as a buffalo. Imagine how big a piece of wood is, put into this machine, and it will instantly break into pieces. If I saw it in action with my own eyes, I would definitely be amazed. Not only does it chop wood quickly, but it is also extremely accurate. Overall, this machine is a super product in the woodworking industry, worthy of praise. Have you ever wondered how to get all those pieces of wood on board? This scene is like a dance controlled by machines. The first trucks arrive at a giant unloading system called a razor tail. Then, the wood pieces quickly fly onto the conveyor belt, moving flexibly from one conveyor belt to another, creating a precise processing process. In short, the Senebogen 825 exemplifies the perfect combination of power and precision. Famous for its ability to lift up to 25 tons and stack wood, combined with a 19 m long and strong mechanical arm with specialized clamps that help it hold large logs tightly, lift them high and place them in the right position. Location on the truck. Not only that, Senebogen 825 can also work in narrow spaces and complex terrain, thanks to its intelligent control system and flexible reach. WRAVOR, WD 1400 Super Wood Peeler. This name says it all. With a sturdy design and a motor capacity of up to 140 Q, the machine easily tears off the stubborn bark of logs up to 14 m in diameter. No more struggling with tedious and time-consuming work. Thanks to this device, work becomes simpler, and product quality is guaranteed. Work peace of mind, business efficiency, that's what WD 1400 brings. Lear is known for building reliable machines, and this new log handler is no exception. The LH35M timber wood handler, with a load capacity of 35 tons, combined with a trailer, provides optimal efficiency for work over long distances. The new undercarriage design and blade and outrigger enhance wood handling capabilities, reduce downtime, and improve productivity in logging operations. When it comes to removing evergreens, Hitachi excavators and Oriole tree shears are the ideal combination. The excavator uses a power of 200 kW. Combining these two devices reduces working time and increases efficiency in removing evergreens, with the ability to move flexibly and be able to cut through large tree trunks without difficulty. It seems that the Kraz logging truck is supporting the stuck Ural, but does it have enough strength and durability to save that vehicle in such difficult conditions? Let's see. Ace Trees remove 280M tall eucalyptus regnans, belonging to the mountain class group of rubber trees because they had severe root damage and were infected with armillaria fungus. This fungus is the main cause of the death of eucalyptus regnans in Australia. When a tree is infected, the fungus develops into small, cream-colored fruiting bodies, strongly affecting the tree's root system. To stop the spread of the disease, removal of these trees is necessary, helping to protect the surrounding forest area from further destruction. The next interesting machine, called the Shredder, stands out by 2 kOM PTACH slow rotors with mesh, specially designed to help effectively handle many types of waste. With the ability to cut materials with a diameter of up to 500 m and a power of up to 200 Q, the machine ensures the processing of hard materials and large volumes without clogging problems. The protective net helps trap large debris, ensuring continuous operation while minimizing maintenance time. Join Gerald Schmidt and his son Josh, and a group of Belgians who use draft horses to harvest wood from the family forest. After stopping dairy farming, Gerald bought horses to help with farm work. Josh, returning from the Marines, joins his family in this work. They care for the horses and use winter drill tech to help the horses move better in the snow. They use chains to pull the tree out of the forest, then skied home with the log, dog, and everyone.